The queen said to the royal doctor, "I'm so worried about the princess. She has all the emeralds and rubies and riches in the kingdom, but she never laughs. Who can make the princess laugh?" So they called the court jester. The court jester, as everyone knew, was the silliest and funniest court jester that ever there was. With a jingle and a jangle, he rolled into the court. "My queen calls," he sang out as he bowed. "Jester," said the queen, "the princess has forgotten how to laugh, and I am giving you the job of bringing back her smiles to this court." "When shall I start?" he asked. Just then, the princess entered the court, and everyone fell silent. "Now is as good a time as any," she said. The jester turned and greeted the princess, and he bowed, he rolled end over end, and when he stopped, flowers appeared in his hair.
To say goodbye to our dear departed friend, Lou Pratt, that a man who committed his life to the principles of reason has been taken from us in such an unfair manner is irony in its most bitter form. Anyone who knew this tough, hard-nosed attorney knew Lou Pratt's most well-guarded secret. The man was a teddy bear. It is why many of you have come here today, to say goodbye to a man who was always there for you. As an attorney, Lou Pratt was a man who always let you know where you stood.
Excuse me. Can I help you?
Most of us preferred to stand with him instead of against him.
Sir, please. Enough is enough.
About Lou was his belief in the concept of compromise. And heaven help the man who ever forced Lou.
He's hacking up a lung. Guy's got his limits, right? That was mine. Just couldn't help myself.
Do you see how assertive you are?
A thing of the past.
Actually, does feel pretty good.
Let's go.
Come on. Okay.
Hey, you. You should be ashamed of yourself.
I am 24/7.
You know what tomorrow is?
Thursday.
Tomorrow is my uncle's birthday. He would have been 90 years old.
Hey, you didn't mean to kill him.
He was coughing on my neck.
He was my hero.
I could feel the spray on the back of my neck.
Mom! I mean, there's going to be more testing.
Okay, let's do it. I want to take them right now. I mean it. I want to take them right now.
All right.
Going down.
See you next week.
Okay.
Then she picks up with the dinette furniture salesman. TV guy, that's humiliating. You were jealous. You became furious.
I feel the same way.
I don't like this, being here.
You're not supposed to like being here, Arthur. This is an interrogation room. It's not a sports bar.
I need a wipe. Do you have a wipe?
So why were you harassing your ex-wife? We've got the phone records, Artie. You were calling her twice a day. I don't call my wife twice a day.
I was worried about her.
You call it worry. The judge called it stalking.
That was 3 years ago.
What happened, Arthur? You went over there to talk, right? You lost your temper trying to talk to her? Everybody has a temper.
What is that? What is that noise?
Excuse me. Keep on.
Okay, one more time from the top. So how long were you and Gwen married?
How's it going in there?
It's going great. Except he wants to know what the little squeaky noise behind the mirror is.
That might have been me. There's a smudge. I think it's on your side. You can get it when you go back in.
I'm sorry.